Welcome everyone, this is Jake and this is Aii Talks. We have a very special guest for this morning and I think you kind of know him. You might have seen the viral post from Aii Language Center. So please welcome, without much ado, we have our very special guest, Mr. Boon Longley. Okay, this is something new. I only saw the face with a mask, but now this is the face in real life. Okay, interesting. How are you doing so far?
Very good.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, my first ever question for you, I think, is about what happened in there. Did you expect that this post is going to be viral and that a lot of people would notice it?
Never in my entire life, never. I would never think that it would go so viral. Never.
Okay. So, what was the reaction of your classmates about it?
They were shocked at that moment. They were sending me oh my God, you're famous, you're an idol now. Oh my God, give me money. What?
Okay, I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, even ourselves cannot believe it. When we saw what happened in the post, like many people have shared it. It even reached Myanmar, it even reached the Philippines. So that was actually something. Why do you think many people kind of like that post? What is so special in there? What did you do?
I think from that post, I think it's about the humor that I put on it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So tell us about it.
Oh God.
Now that you imagine you're being funny, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Tell us something about it. What did you do in that post? What was the post again?
The post is like $3 per question. I want to create a humor that can me and my classmate and teacher can laugh all together to create a relaxing atmosphere, so to release some tension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Give us a scenario. This is a student presentation, right?
Yeah.
From Aii Language Center. Tell me more about the basic presentation. Oh, what is this all about? What kind of preparation do you do?
Normally, this is an activity for a student. They normally just make some slides and practice.
What, a slice?
Yes, not slides. Slides.
Okay,
yes.
slides. Okay, good.
And practice, practice, because practice makes perfect.
Okay,
Yes.
Nobody's perfect.
Yeah, true. And we have to engaging the attention of the crowd.
Okay, so I think on the last part, you were very good. You were able to engage. So what was the reaction of your classmates and your teacher when you popped that, thank you, $3 per question?
Oh, they were laughing, chuckling. Oh God.
I think we are also laughing when we saw that, and we're actually laughing out loud with joy because that's actually the very first time where a single album post from Aii reached 1 million. Can you believe that? You did that.
I can't believe that.
Let's give a big hand for that. That was wonderful. That was wonderful. Okay, now the other question I'll be giving to you is about, now let's discuss the impact of your viral post. I'm now seeing some comments right there that they're happy about what happened, and I know it's just hilarious, but they're starting to think that maybe next time when we present, we should add a little bit of humor in our presentation. What do you think, or what's your comment on this?
I think sharing their own idea and adding more humor into the topic is very good to attract the attention of the crowd.
Very nice.
Yes, and it's also wonderful to see a little laughter can change the learning experience into more enjoyable.
Okay, like making that learning process lighter and enjoyable, right? And if we do that, we're making a fun and engaging classroom, and at the same time, it's not boring after all, right?
True.
Okay. So, speaking of fun and laughter, we will put you on a challenge, okay?
Yeah.
There, you see on a video, okay, we'll play a video right there, but the challenge is simple. This is the reverse of what you did. You made a lot of people laugh, but now we will make sure that you should not laugh, okay? So this is a try not to laugh or smile challenge. If I see you smile or laugh, definitely you're a loser, okay? So this is just a game.
Okay.
Hopefully you're a good sport. So are you ready? This is, I think, a 1-minute clip. So try not to laugh or smile. Go.
Starts. 3, 2, 1.
Muy good. Eto. 시작.
He's very okay. There you go. Okay, so we captured you right there. I'm so sorry you lose that spot of the challenge of try not to laugh, but you did so well. Like a few seconds right there, you were so serious. I love that. Okay, now on a serious note, what do you think is your message for our students out there or aspiring students out there who would like to engage the people with their presentations, who would like to be as confident as how you did it, and at the same time add humor into their presentation?
My advice would be to think really creatively, to put on you do your best on your presentation. Don't worry if you make mistake. Don't be afraid to take more risk.
Yes.
Because it can provide you more opportunity in the future.
Wonderful. Well said. I mean, you're like the enlightened one right there. Like you kind of know what you're saying. How old are you again?
15.
Okay, at 15, ladies and gentlemen, we have such wise words from Long. Okay, thank you so much for joining us for this
thank you.
day. This is a very special AI Talks, and we're so happy to bring it to you guys out there. And I hope, like what Long just did right now, hopefully you can continue to share that smile and continue to be a blessing to everyone out there. This has been Jake again, your host. It has been a wonderful pleasure to be here with you. This is AI Talks, the viral guy in the viral classroom post. Thank you so much, everyone. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.